Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create viral post frames using shapes presets. With a square canvas, pick geometric shapes like circles, hexagons or diamonds. Arrange them as a frame around your photo. Now reduce opacity for a soft trendy look. Then add bold shapes in the corners for energy. Integrate strokes for premium finish. Place your photo in the middle. Then overlay patterns using small repeated shapes. Add modern text such as breaking, trend, etc. Use bright viral colors. Then add motion lines using elongated rectangles. Place your username at the bottom. Export for instant